For the best price, click the link in the description. I'm about to reveal a shocking truth about the Elegoo Neptune 4 Max that'll make you think twice before buying it, /N. You're probably here because you're considering getting your hands on this popular Arduino development board, /N. But here's what surprised me. Despite being a top seller, many users have reported issues with its compatibility and reliability, /N. Therefore, if you're planning to use it for serious projects, I strongly advise you to read this review carefully before making any decisions. /N. Deep dive next 1,000 words. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Max is a microcontroller development board that's compatible with Arduino and MicroPython, /N. However, its reputation has been marred by several complaints about its inconsistent performance, /N. Many users have reported that it freezes or crashes frequently, especially when used with certain libraries or codes, /N. This can be frustrating for anyone who's counting on this board to get their project done quickly and efficiently, /N. One user even claimed to have experienced a catastrophic failure of the board after only a few months of use, /N. Which is disappointing considering the price point of the Elegoo Neptune 4 Max, /N. Another issue that many users have encountered is with the board's documentation, which can be confusing and unclear at times, /N. For example, some users have reported difficulty in setting up the MicroPython environment due to a lack of clear instructions, /N. This can lead to wasted time and frustration for beginners who are just starting out with their project, /N. So, what makes the Elegoo Neptune 4 Max so prone to these issues, /N? It's likely that the board's design and manufacturing process are not as robust as those of other popular development boards on the market, /N. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and consistent experience, I would recommend exploring alternative options, /N. But if you're still interested in learning more about the Elegoo Neptune 4 Max, /N. Resolution final 130 words. In conclusion, while the Elegoo Neptune 4 Max may seem like an attractive option at first glance, it's essential to consider its reputation and performance issues before making a purchase, /N. If you're serious about getting your project done efficiently and effectively, I would recommend looking elsewhere, /N. However, if you're willing to take on the risk of potential compatibility issues, /N. For the best price, click the link in the description.